welcome to my channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And yes, armies, today is our beloved, beautiful, amazing boy's birthday. It's Kim Seokjin's birthday. Yay! I am so excited and honored to do this reaction video. I'm gonna be posting two videos today like I did with Jimin's birthday. Basically, the first video right now that I'm gonna be doing is reacting to his songs. Now one is his song, you gave me a lot of suggestions, so I've chosen Tonight because a lot of you told me that he wrote it for his deceased pets, and I really wanna listen to this song. The second is Moon. I know this song, I love this song. It's from the Map of the Soul 7 album, and but I'm gonna be reacting to his like Moats 1 concert performance, which I have not seen. So I am super duper stoked. The second video is going to be his compilations. I have chosen two of his compilations, so I'm going to be posting one video in the morning and one in the evening, as I did. In Jimin's case, of course, I posted everything in the second half because I was not keeping well at that point of time. But that's not going to happen for Jin's birthday. So yes, a very happy birthday to Jin. I mean, so charming. I love, like, let me say two lines, दो पंक्तियां मैं जिन के बारे में बोलूंगी. You know, I want to say two lines about him. I love the dude to core. His confidence, his persona, his aura is really nice and vibrant. I hope Jin, you always keep smiling. I call you the vampire because you have not seemed to age, and that's, you know, because it's all in the head. When you are mentally so young and fun, it shows on your face. So a lot of life lessons to take from Jin on how to be so confident and how to be, you know, how to laugh at yourself. That is something that I've learned from Jin. How to really laugh at yourself, how to keep a guard without making the other person or without making the fans feel cut off. He's so good at that. I absolutely admire and respect him for that. His vocals are unbelievable. His visuals are worldwide handsome. Bhai, worldwide handsome he is. Okay, so without delaying this, first I'm going to be reacting to Tonight and then I will be reacting to the Moon performance. So yes, let's get into it. I have my coffee and everything ready. I am ready to do the reaction. Okay, and please do share in your thoughts about Jin on the comment section. I would love to hear how he has inspired you, how much you love him, the birthday wishes for him. Let's make the comment section today about Kim Seokjin. Alright, okay, let's start with Tonight.
밤이 지나면 날 볼 수 없을까 봐 두려워.
He wrote this himself and composed it himself.
한없이 투명한 그 눈빛도 너무 익숙해진 그 촉감도.
His vocals are so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my god. And you know, the fact that he has written it for his deceased pets, I'm guessing he has only like written, of course, I'm sure he has only written, but composed also. He has composed the song, the melody of the song.
나를 보며 웃었던 얼굴도 이제 너를 다시 볼 순 없을까. 나의 하루하루에 네가 있고 너의 하루하루에 내가 있어. 저 달이 지고 해가 떠오르면 나와 함께 했던 넌 없을까. 내 눈을
much I love such slow songs. Oh, oh my god. Oh wow. I'm sorry, I'm a little shook. This song is so good. Oh, beautiful. Oh my god, Seokjin.
나와 함께
Yo, when the beat drops.
없을까 내 눈을 감으면 함께했던 시간들이 떠오를 것 같아 눈을 감으면
If I close my eyes, I'll think of only happy memories.
행복했던 추억들만 생각날 것 같아
It's too good. Oh my god! Guys! Armies! I swear. I mean, I was expecting it to be a good song, but this is. Oh my god. I mean, I'm literally getting blown away. I'm literally getting blown away right now. With the beats, the music, and his. Oh my god, and his heavenly vocals. His vocals are just so beautiful. His vocals are piercing, you know, it pierces through your heart. It's like that. Oh, wow.
눈을 감으면 함께했던 시간들이 떠오를 것 같아 눈을 감으면 또 행복했던 추억들만 생각날 것 같아 이 밤이 지나면 널 볼 수 없을까 봐 두려워
Oh my goodness,
밤이
wow.
지나면 나 홀로 남을까 봐 두려워
I love how this engine sound has been incorporated in the background. Like this part, and the beat ends.
밤이
car,
지나면
like, seems like it's playing in the radio. It feels like that. And the car engine sound. So beautiful.
밤이 지나면
It's like, you know, saying the final goodbye.
홀로 남을까 봐 두려워
Oh, the sound of the engine is so beautifully incorporated. I swear, he literally like the day has just started, guys. It's morning 8:30 right now, the time that I'm shooting. And already I'm so thank God I chose this first and then I chose to react to Moon, because Moon is like such a nice upbeat song. After Moon, this would have shattered me. This would have shattered me. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Armies, for suggesting this song to me, and also for no thanks for suggesting it so late. But I guess, you know, this is the perfect way to get to know this song on Seokjin's birthday. I mean, what more can I want, man, to listen to his beautiful vocals. The first thing after I woke up, is, you know, get ready and prepare my coffee. But oh my goodness, so beautiful. Thank you. I loved it. I don't have to say it again and again. I loved it. It was amazing. Seokjin, your vocals are absolute gold. So yes, that was my reaction for tonight. Beautiful lyrics, so meaningful. And I mean, you know, when you lose a pet, it's so painful. It's like losing a family member. Of course, it's like losing a family member. You know, it's always traumatic emotionally, mentally. You have to really let go. Letting go and moving on. Demise of a pet really teaches you that it's a very, very traumatic thing to go through, and the way he has penned down his pain in a song is beautiful. That's how he has channelized his grief, basically. That's how he has channelized his grief. So yes, I loved this song. That was my reaction. I hope you enjoyed it. And the next one, let's get into the happy place. Let's put ourselves in happy place now, because the next one is going to be the Moon performance from Mode's One concert. I already love the song. I know the song. So, nothing really to decode there. I'm just gonna enjoy his performance and watching his beautiful face and looking at his beautiful face and listening to his beautiful vocals. All right, okay. Let me just open the. Okay, here it is, and I've opened it. Let's start with Moon. I love the song. I absolutely love this song. This one video, I'll link the original one. It's quite clear, and I think it's from the day 2 of the concert. Okay. Look at him. I swear he's a literal prince. He's a prince. Oh my god.
언제부터 이렇게 함께 했던 건지 존재로도 빛나는 너 그 곁을 날 지켜도 되지 너는 나의 지구 내겐 앉아서 네 맘을 밝혀주는 너의 작은 별 너는 나의 지구 All I see is you.
The audio track also is very loud. The backing audio track is quite loud. Why did they keep it so loud? They could have just lowered the volume. I mean, I don't know. It's their concert. Please let me know, armies, because I feel, if it's the audio track plays very loudly, then the actual vocals get a little, I don't know, subdued, I feel. Now I have to listen very carefully. See, he doesn't, his live vocals are sounding so great. He doesn't need such a loud audio track. That's just my feeling. Love what he's wearing. Woo! I love this song. I have a top like that, but Jin is looking better. Of course. Who? Prince! Jin is a prince! Wow!
너는 나의 지구 내게 앉아서 네 맘을 밝혀주는 너의 작은 별 너는 나의 지구 And all I see is you 이렇게 그저 널 바라볼 뿐인걸 널 닮은 나의 두 눈을 감아도 넌 파랗게 내게 밀려와 In the full moonlight 두 눈을 뜨고서
Are those balls?
괜찮은 걸까 어떻게 생각해 너도 날 지금 보고 있을까 내 앞에서
Oh, is it because it's like when the full moon is there, the wolves howl. Ooh. I mean, sorry, they howl. That's why the backup dancers is like that, because Jin is the moon, so they are around him. Woo! Beautiful. He is so beautiful.
for you
I love this. I love this. Is this real? Have they really put those things? Or is it because it was online concert, so you can do a lot of visual effects also? But it looks real. It looks real to me though. It actually looks real to me. It looks real. So beautiful. So beautiful. I love this song. Just is so Jin. Na? So Kim Seok Jin. I can't imagine anybody else singing this song. Anybody else. It has to be Jin.
아플 때도 그저 날 비추는 너.
Yeah, I think it's real. They've hung it, right?
너의 곁에
Right?
있을게. 캄캄한 밤에 훨씬 더
I love the whole
너의
mask.
곁을 지킬게.
His happy birthday, Jin. We all love you so much. Oh my God, you really are our moon, huh? Oh, when he started, that alap that he took.
너의 곁을 지킬게.
I love his costume. Yes.
내 곁에 있어줄게. 내 빛이 되어줄게. All for you.
What the? Oh, why is this thing there? Jin! Oh, no, I can't be this cute. Kim Seok Jin, it is a crime. It is a freaking crime to be this adorable. How is he so adorable? He is so effortlessly adorable, man. Oh my God. Look at him. I'm sorry, this is too much cuteness. I can't handle this much cuteness, man. He is too cute, man. He's too cute. Look at how when the earth comes, because the earth, armies is the earth, right? Oh my God. Too cute. And just hugs. He does this. Oh. I swear, he's so freaking cute, man. He's so freaking cute. How is he this cute, man? Oh my goodness. Let me stop this first. Oh goodness. I mean, come on. I mean, कुछ तो थोड़ा तो सोचो यार हमारे बारे में. We can't handle so much cuteness. We can't handle. This is too much. Jin? Seokjin? Huh? Oh wow, this was beautiful. I loved it. Though my only gripe with this one was that the audio track could have been a little, like the volume could have been a little lower, because like his vocals, his live vocals are so beautiful, the note. So I think it could have been a little lower so that his vocals could have shined even more. That's my only gripe in this. Otherwise, his performance is great. But I feel that that's the only thing that sort of put me off, that the audio track was so loud. That's the only thing. Otherwise, yes, beautiful. I love Moon. I already love Moon so much, and tonight was like the big surprise for me, how beautiful the song is. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. So yes, guys, ARMYs, that was my reaction to two of his songs, Tonight and Moon. That is the video 1. That is my reaction. This is the part 1 of Jin's birthday special. A very happy birthday to you, Jin. I mean, seriously, you really are amazing. You are amazing. thing about you I love. I absolutely love it. So yeah, guys, please fill in the comment section about Jin, how much you love him, birthday wishes, how he inspires you, anything, whatever you wish to tell me about Kim Seokjin, something about Seokjin, some facts which I don't know. You can tell me that as well. So yeah, guys, that was it for me today. Part 2 will be posted separately, of course, and I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.